Hello everyone, let's take a look at the story Climate Kids by Jane Kamak at an A2/B1 level. This story is a great one to bring into your classroom because it teaches your students about climate action, how we can protect our local communities and be greener. It's inspired by the Supertrees of Singapore, and in this story, the teenagers live in a village where there are supertrees. These supertrees collect rainwater, change sunlight into energy, and produce fresh, clean air for the town. However, one day a businessman opens a factory in the town, and this factory dumps waste into the river, damaging the environment. And the teenagers have to solve the mystery and close down the factory that is causing all of this environmental destruction. The book also gives your students the opportunity to think about the environment, how they can protect it, and discuss it with their classmates. And at the back of the book, there are also dossiers about local action, how we can protect our environment in our local area, and about climate change and greenhouse gases. There are many activities to check your students' understanding. There are also extra listening activities, and there are activities to prepare for the B1 examinations. So that is the story Climate Kids by Jane Kamak.